Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix error code VAL43 in Valorant with some quick and effective steps. This error usually appears due to connection issues or Riot client glitches. First, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection completely. Next, close Valorant and Riot client from the system tray, then reopen the Riot client as administrator. After that, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and avoid using VPN because it can cause connection errors. Now, open Services and find the VGC service. Make sure it is running. If not, start it and set it to automatic. Also, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus as they can block the game connection. If the issue still continues, try logging out of your Riot account and logging back in. Finally, restart your PC again and launch Valorant, and the VAL43 error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.